and it's dualistic.
Yeah, it's Shih Tzu and a Pitsu.
He'd drown in a pool and he'd kill himself.
I don't want to get into it. This is supposed to be lighthearted.
You are a juggernaut. You are, you know what you are? You're my...
So that makes you a baby backwards tit-sucking...
In my bathtub, is that okay?
You know, I was hoping you would be in your bathtub, but not like this.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.
I don't know exactly.
No, actually, I moved to Los Angeles to work at A&M Records to get in the record business.
Little bitch.
How did you research to play that role?
I have a toaster oven tattooed on my ass. It's not,
you know, with chips in it. I was soft,
like Coke, Pop, 7-Up.
Yeah.
I really enjoy 7-Up.
Off its mother's teat and all the milk saliva was drooling out.
Someone who probably smells just,
That's a deep philosophical question. That requires a whole day.
Is that right? You can't neutralize energy. Energy just changes forms.
Yeah, it can be created or destroyed. It can only be transformed. In alchemy, they call it the transmutation from one. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.